Greg Udelhofen with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm at the World of Asphalt here with Ed Brenton, who's the brand marketing manager for Case Construction. We're here today to talk about the new compactor, the SV212D.
So some of the main features here are that this machine is a 154 horsepower Tier 4 final engine, so you got plenty of power to get around the job site. And as we mentioned, it's really designed for versatility. So Case offers a dedicated smooth drum machine that's great for your granular soils like gravel or sand. We also offer a pad foot, which will be good for your cohesive soils like clay. Or we also have, for the most versatility, is a pad foot shell kit that can be attached to that smooth drum machine, so you have a wide variety of options for whatever applications you're in.
One of the things I noticed too is that the gradability of this machine. Mm-hmm. And again, I know it's a little bit lower to the ground. It can probably handle a larger lift and reach density a lot quicker. Mm-hmm. Talk about that and how that's been accomplished.
Sure. So the way that this machine is designed is that it doesn't have a rear axle. We have dedicated motors driving each hub of the machine. So our engine is able to sit closer to the ground, giving us a lower center of gravity. So we have great visibility out that rear sloped hood, and it also gives us great traction right to the ground. So we have different tire options depending on what soil conditions you're in. We have a diamond tread pattern, or as shown here, we have a traction tread. The traction tread can also be equipped with ballast to give you more weight. We also offer what's called HX drive, or extreme traction drive. So that gives you up to 65% gradability. So if you're on steep slopes or uneven terrain, you can get the most traction out of this machine with that configuration.
Another thing I noticed about this piece of equipment has to do with the operator compartment. I mean, there's some features with the 50-degree swivel of the operator seat. Mm-hmm. Talk a little bit about some of those features.
Sure. So Case offers great ergonomic cabs, or if you want an open ROPS unit, we have that configuration as well. The seat does swivel all the way to the right or left side, and your controls go right along with that seat. So you can swivel the seat to get a great view to the rear or to the front. All the controls are nice ergonomic and fit in your hand, and all the other switches are right within arm's reach. These machines are available for customers to order right now. They are delivering to our dealers as we speak. And this unit, as shown at the show, is a smooth drum machine with a pad foot shell kit. So if you're a contractor that only wants to buy one machine and have it do multiple things, this would be a great unit to join your fleet.
Okay, very good. Thanks, Ed.
Yep, thanks, Greg.